na-realize ko na, well, alam na po ni Papa nung nag-usap-usap kami last week nung Thursday na, kahit alam ko sa sarili ko na napatawad ko na siya, it doesn't stop there na inisip mo na, I have already forgiven him. But it also extends the idea na you have forgiven someone if you tell him or her na napatawad na kita pa at sana maging okay na tayo. Yun po yung sinabi ko sa kanya nung Thursday, last week. And sobra po siyang natuwa kasi alam niya po talaga na hindi ako yung tao na paprangkahin ka na, uy, ba't di na tayo ganyan. Pangalawa po, ang isi-share ko about realization is, sobrang pong na-realize ko na kahit we were apart for that 11 years, he has always been proud of us. And I have been hearing a lot of stories. I have been hearing a lot of stories from people, from the people around here, even outside this place na, uy, yung papa niyo, proud na proud yan sa'yo, may nilik siya sa akin YouTube link, or uy, pinaabangan ka sa ganito, sa opposing views, or ganyan. Sobrang nakaka-proud ko na kahit pala hindi ka niya kasama, or kahit pala you were never together for that span of time, he was there to tell people that itong mga to, anak ko to, asawa ko to, at proud na proud of me. Ano yung realization ko? The realization isn't simply the idea of, you know what, parang si Papa, ano yan alam ko naman natin na may pagka-pride si Papa. Pero he did not use that pride for the heck of telling people that my kids are achieving. He used that pride in telling people that regardless na kahit wala ako doon, they have been continuously working hard all throughout their lives to be able to prove something. So, sa realization ko po yun, parang naisip ko na si Papa, may extent of love pa rin siya na naiwan sa amin. Kahit alam po natin na both ways may kasalanan at kailangan po hindi tayo nagsisisihan. So, ang realization ko po doon, kahit magkalayo kami, or kahit hindi kami magkasama, sobrang niyang naging proud sa akin. And yun nga po yung masakit kasi sa lahat po na na-achieve ko, physically, he's not there. Even though he was already offering me to help financially, sabi ko, wag na, pagpagabot ko na lang po. Kasi po, aminado ako, hindi ako talentadong tao. In terms of singing, dancing, acting, mga kapatid ko, singers yan, dancers, si Rainier, nagta-theater. Ako kasi, pagsasalita lang yung kaya kong gawin, pagsusulat. He was never there physically to support me. But what